Now, before I go any further, I want to quickly show you the blueprint that I'm going to be talking about in this course. So there's a few steps for this blueprint. The first step is to create a video. And this is not just any video. The video that you're going to be creating for YouTube is going to be a video that has a good chance of going viral and a good chance of generating a lot of traffic. Now, it's not guaranteed, but there are a few things you can do to make sure that you create a hit video. Okay, so I'll be talking about that in this course. The next thing that you want to do is to direct that traffic to a funnel. So in the description field of your video, you're going to want to put a link to your funnel. Okay, if you don't know what a funnel is, it's basically a process that a lead or a customer goes through. So for example, the first page of the funnel could be a page offering a free gift, and in return for the free gift, the lead has to give you their email address. So they fill in their email address and they subscribe into your list. And the next step of that funnel would be where they would be offered an upsell or be presented with an affiliate offer that you're promoting. Okay, so basically you're going to be generating leads and sales from that funnel. And then once you have these leads, you could promote affiliate products to them on a daily basis or a weekly basis, depending on how comfortable you are promoting or emailing your list. Me personally, I email my list every day and it provides me with a daily income. Okay, so that's the blueprint for you. In the following videos, I'm going to get into more detail on how to do these steps. Now let's talk about creating a hit video. First of all, you have to do research. You have to find videos that have a lot of views but few subscribers. Okay, and this could be for any niche that you're in or that you plan to get into. Because see, if you find a video that has a lot of views but it has a lot of subscribers, then you don't really know if that type of video or the topic of that video will generate a lot of traffic. So for example, if you see a video that has 100,000 views or a million views, but they have 100,000 subscribers or a million subscribers, then what if that traffic was generated because of the following that YouTuber has? So you got to find videos that have a lot of views but few subscribers, and then you could tell that the topic of that video was one of the reasons that it generated a lot of traffic and went viral. Okay, so for example, I typed on YouTube Bitcoin beginners, or how to buy Bitcoin, or something related to cryptocurrency, and I found this video which has over 100,000 views and only 5,000 subscribers. Okay, and looking at the date that this was published, it was published on January 2018, so it's about 6 or 7 months old. So it's not that bad that it's already got 100,000 views. If it was a year or 2 years old, then I may not be as impressed, but it's only been a few months and it's already generated 100,000 views with only 5,000 subscribers. So now what you're going to do is watch the video and then try to take notes and try to create a video similar to that. You don't have to copy it. You could do some more research on the topic and create your own unique video. Now, it's very important that when you create a video, you have to try to provide knowledge that's 1 or 2 levels above the general knowledge. Okay, that's how you're going to get fans and how people are going to subscribe to you. Because if you have a video that shares information that everybody knows, or that's not too enlightening, not too many people are going to share your videos, and you're not going to get too many likes. So you have to go above and beyond. Now, when you're creating a video, you could create on a PowerPoint, you could speak in front of a camera, or you could even outsource that to sites such as Fiverr. Okay, and the tool that I use for creating videos, such as the one that you're watching right now, is Camtasia. There are some high quality free tools online, so if you can't afford Camtasia, you could do some more research and find some free tools that will work for you. And lastly, it's important to create an image for your thumbnail that will attract visitors and make people want to click on your videos. So for that, what I use is a free tool called Canva, and let's just go to canva.com. You can open a free account here, and they have all types of templates. They have templates for YouTube thumbnails, ebooks, infographics, banner ads, and so on. So let's just click on YouTube thumbnail here, and let's just check out their templates. Okay, and these templates here, most of them are free. The ones that say free here, and let's just click on this one, Hawaii. That's a nice looking one here. Okay, and if you want to edit, it's very easy. You just click on the images or the text and make your changes.